This is Drylock Masonry Original Waterproof Tintable. It costs over $40 a can today. You hear complaints on YouTube about people saying, oh, you should not waterproof your wall. How much do they know? This is a 75-plus-year-old wall. I got one coat of white on there. The existing coat has been on there for all those years. I mixed it as the best I can. I don't want to sit here mixing it forever for you. Some people do. Stirring and stirring till you get the right consistency. UGL Drylock Original Waterproof for Masonry Foundations. I'm going to go over again with a brush that area. I need to put 2 full coats on there. I can start my 1 coat and work on the rest of my wall. What we do for YouTube. Don't have to be a heavy coat on there. They say left and right painting. Well, you can go up and down if you want. It's the same as going left and right. Take your time and get it on there. You don't want thin coats. You want a nice, heavy coat. Due to the stuff just being rough, there's not much I can do about this. I could try to get the roughness off. I'm not going to worry about it. Do the best you can do. I laid a real thick coat on. That's done. Don't gotta worry anymore about it. I finished painting this. Oh man. Look how far I got. I ran out of paint. But I got all the walls. You're not going to see it. I got 2 slabs of concrete all the way to the top. So I don't think I need to go any further. But I wish I could go on another 2-3 feet. I'm good for now. I'm completed. Not 100%, but enough to say I caught that leak. Come back at another time, and we'll follow up. Until then, happy trails to you till we meet again.